Welcome back. We are covering tip number 3 of 25 tips to become a better driver. And before we get going, if you're back multiple times, would love it if you would subscribe to the channel. Click the thumbs up, even if you're not subscribed, and give a like there, and then also click the alert button. Lets YouTube know that people are watching and appreciate the content, and lets me know as well. So, again, we're covering tip number 3 of 25 tips to become a better driver. Don't drive drowsy. So I know that a lot of times we're going to work jobs where we're either up all night, or run into situations, whether it be family emergencies, where we're required to be up all night. But I think that it's a dangerous thing to do. I've driven drowsy before, and shouldn't have, right? I mean, they say statistically that it's almost worse to drive drowsy than it is driving drunk, or it's just as bad, right? And I don't think anything's worse than driving, intoxicated. We just covered that in the last video. But driving drowsy, take time, listen to your body, pull over in a safe place if you need to, get a little shut eye, even if it's for 15, 20 minutes, half an hour. It's better than losing your life or taking the life of somebody else. And again, I know the tendency is that there's a lot on our plate, a lot we got to get done. Nothing is more important than your life. And I'm here to encourage you. I value your life. I value your family's life. And I want to make sure that you're not driving drowsy. If you're just starting a new shift, that is either, the afternoon shift and you get off later than you typically go to bed, or if you're working that overnight shift, until you're completely adjusted to that new schedule, it's likely that you're going to potentially face drowsiness. And you need to make sure that you're alert and you're awake. Again, you want to get home safely to your loved ones. And there's these commercials and PSAs going out right now that I've been watching when I've been watching golf or something, that are showing, just the different comments from the people who, are in the driver's life, who, didn't buckle up, and the impact it has on them, right? And I think that those are so powerful and so valid. And so again, driving drowsy, you might think that you can, push through it and put on your big boy and big girl pants and just make it happen as an adult. But sometimes you got to listen to your body. Or catch an Uber home. Again, it'll take you a little bit longer, but it's better to get home safely than it is to take that chance, right? And I know when you're exhausted, if you've been up, whether it's even if you're a college student, if you've been up and you feel like you have the energy to do it, it is not worth the risk. I promise you. I would be devastated if anything happens to my wife or kids or my family because they were driving drowsy. I would go and pick them up and drive them home if needed. I'm more than happy to drop everything I'm doing to do that. And I would bet dollars to donuts that you probably have somebody in your life who would do the same for you. But even if you don't, or they're not available, the ones that you do care for you, they're not available, do what you need to get that ride home, or, secure a different, route to get home. But again, it'll be worth it in the long run for yourself and for everybody. So again, that's going to do it for this video. And if you have not already, if you're back multiple times, if you have not already subscribed, I would encourage you to do that. If you've not, clicked the thumbs up, which is the like button on this video, would appreciate that as well. And then also click the alert button, and we will talk to you at the next video.